Hey friends, if you wish to clear the icon cache on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, you need to search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and then open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of these boxes here. Okay. And then click on OK and then click on delete files. Now, why are we choosing this method instead of the ones explained by other channels and websites? Because it is basically the same thing. They've only made it more and more complicated. When you're performing a disk cleanup, okay, it will clear all the files and then you can also select cleanup system files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.